So if you want to rank for ChatGPT, you need to write content. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get your website or your business to get cited by ChatGPT and be the top recommended business or website for a user query. In this example, we can see here that if someone was searching up lipoma removal in Toronto, which is a specific type of surgery, we can see that our client here is ranked number 1. Another example of this is where to get carpal tunnel treatment in Toronto, and we can see our client is ranking number 1. Here's the website stats. Overall, we can see that we're getting over 284 ChatGPT mentions, 476 AI overviews that we're winning, and this website gets well over 50,000 organic clicks per month. Instead of guessing, let's reverse engineer the search results that we get back from ChatGPT. So for example, if I click these sources, I'll be able to see what ChatGPT is mentioning, and it gives us an idea of which websites, again, are going to show up compared to other websites. So we can see here lipoma removal Toronto is what we searched up, and we can see for most of these websites that are top ranked, they have lipoma removal Toronto in their title and their meta description. So traditional SEO still works, and we still need to optimize our content. Now, why did our website show up higher than other websites? I think in part of that is because we also have Toronto within our actual name of our URL. So if you can get an exact match domain, I think that still works and it's still effective. Now let's go ahead and compare the content from the top 1 and the top 2 sites. Here's the page from the Toronto Minor Surgery site, and this is the page that's ranking number 1. Things that stand out already is that we have images. We have also a customizable HTML element that you can actually go through and click to find whichever symptoms you may have, and based upon the symptoms, it will tell you your diagnostic, and then you can go ahead and book a free consult. Also, the content is much more skimmable, I would say. And we have a drop down again, which is another interactive HTML element that's an FAQ, and we get our call to action. And we also have a floating consultation button here, which is also another call to action. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the second article. Again, it's about lipoma removal. But as we can see here, I personally think that this page looks a little bit older, and the content of the page is much less. And if I actually search up the target keyword, which is lipoma removal Toronto, the second website has not even mentioned lipoma removal in Toronto. But if I search up the same thing on the website that's ranking number 1, which is our client, we can clearly see that lipoma removal Toronto has been mentioned, but only one time. So we're not overly optimizing the pages, and we're still seeing really good results. So in terms of readability, we get a readability score of grade 8, and we get about 1900 words from the top website, which is Toronto Minor Surgery Center. We get a grade 6 readability for the content that we got back from the second website, which is actually higher, but as you can see, the word count is less than 1,000 because I actually included some other content here, so it's less than 1,000 words. So almost double times the content we get back from the article that's ranked number 1. So more content, but more informational content and relevant content definitely does better. So let's go ahead and take a look at our second source here in which we're winning. So we can see here we're winning for where to get carpal tunnel treatment in Toronto. So we can see here our website is number 1, right? And actually an article is ranking as one of the top sources. So this blog, which is carpal tunnel syndrome surgery in Toronto, what to expect and where to go. And again, as we can see here, we have a custom HTML elements. Now, if you want to know how I created this full article, I used my own tool, WordRocket, which is optimized for ranking on ChatGPT. So if you wanted to skip the manual process and write content on autopilot and autonomously, you can use WordRocket. So when you generate content with WordRocket, first of all, you can use the highest, most intelligent models. But as you can see here, you can include an HTML widget, and that is exactly what we went ahead and we did this article, so that our content is just much more user friendly, and it is separated and it stands out from the competitors. And Google seems to be loving this HTML content because it can be indexed and it increases your dwell time, and it's really good for engagement, but also again, just giving the answers in a more concise way, because this is an interactive guide about the symptoms of carpal tunnel, which is what this blog post is all about. So if you scroll down here, we can see that this is a pretty in-depth article posted on October 2nd of 2025, so only a couple of months ago, with a custom image here. And this article is actually ranking #1 on ChatGPT. And secondary, we get some actual hospitals. So Sunnybrook is a huge hospital, UHN as well. So we're actually outranking hospitals for this specific keyword. As you can see here, we're number one recommended option when it comes to this service in Toronto. We can clearly see that blogging definitely works, and even if it doesn't get you to rank on Google, it will actually rank you on ChatGPT, which can bring you an even higher return on your investment. There's some cases in which we're not ranked #1, we are still ranked #5. So if I go ahead and take a look at this keyword here, which is where to get skin cancer removal, we can see that even though we're not #1, we're being beat by a lot of the big hospitals, we're still ranking #5. And if I go ahead and click on this source, again, it's another service page with another interactive HTML guide. So if you want to rank for ChatGPT, you need to write content that's high quality. You can do so using WordRocket. You also need to write your content so it's optimized for AI search engines like ChatGPT. You can do this manually, or you can use a GEO optimization option on WordRocket, and you will get content that is parsable, that is optimized for AI search engines, that is indexable and easy for the AI to grab the information and source it and cite it within their search engines. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by giving us a big thumbs up. And again, if you want to try out WordRocket for yourselves, head over to app.wordrocket.ai. You literally just enter in your keyword, you choose your model, you choose your settings, and you can toggle on GEO optimization in order to increase the likeliness of ranking and getting indexed on ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.